How to make dual app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to make dual app on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch settings application on your phone. With this, tap on the search bar at top of the screen on your setting. Now type in app clone or simply dual application. Both are same. Depending on your device, it may have different name. Now you simply need to launch App Cloner or Dual App option. And here you can see the recommended app and other application. Suppose if you want to make the dual application of Instagram, simply tap on Instagram and toggle the button on for Create App Clone. You need to know that you should have more than 5% of free storage remaining on your device to create app clone. Recently, I don't have enough storage, so if you do have, you can toggle the button on and you will successfully see the clone application or dual app on your Android phone. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.